guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can probably tell, I look a little crazy right now. I just filmed a different makeup look right before this video, and I took all the eye makeup off and then just touched up my concealer, so I still look a little funky, but I figured I would give another look a go since, you know, my face is still, might as well just try something different. So let's just go ahead and get started. Let's play with the Jaclyn Hill palette more. I bought this like a year ago, and like, as you can probably tell by the swatch marks and like dips, there's not that much that was used in here. So I want to play with this a little more today. First thing we always want to do is lay down our base. Our base is just the tone that's going to go in kind of the lid. This palette actually doesn't have one. It has like a shiny one. So I'm just going to go into my Lorac 2 palette and use the color Canvas, because that's exactly what we're doing. We're just making a blank canvas for the rest of the shadow. And now the next thing we're gonna do is start putting a crease color in. Now the way she has the palette set up, let's see if I can set it up there. So you have these two shimmer shades, which are great for like the inner corner, eyebrow highlight. You could use it as an all over base if that's the look you're going for. And then you have a couple nice transition shades here. Even these ones I would use. So that gives you a nice base to start whatever kind of look you decide to do. So for today, I'm gonna go in with this one, and we're just gonna buff this lightly into the outer edge crease, outer edge corner crease thing. All right, so I think I want to do should be bold and do like these darker greens. Why not? Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my finger. We're gonna go into this shade, which it's like a dark army green kind of color. Looks like this. Now normally I would always do outer corner first, but because we're doing such an intense color and I make it not as like dramatic the whole time, does that make sense? It probably doesn't. I'm gonna explain that further while I still have glue from the last video. Okay, so
wow, that is a really pretty shade.
and it's definitely buildable depending on your desired look. Imagine I was like, and that is your final look. Oh god. Okay, so now let's start with the shade right next to it, which is also like a dark green, and this is the color Enchanted. We're gonna just take a tapered fluffy brush and start blending that out on the outer corner. Okay, now that looks insane, of course. We're just gonna go in with a clean blending brush and start blending out that crease tone. And as you can see, that makes a big difference immediately. Like, it takes it from you look like a nutcase to, okay, wait, I can kind of see something starting there. That green tone again. I just like to pack it really on that outer edge. We'll do that on both sides. Then I'm gonna take another brown, I'm gonna mix them and start packing that into the upper crease. This green, that initial green tone, try and get it a little more intense because our crease color may have diluted it a little bit, like that. And then I'm just going to take this pencil brush. This is the pencil E30 from Sigma. And we're gonna go in with yellowy white tone. And we're gonna get that all in this front portion of the eye. And this will just brighten it up a lot, and you can blend it right into that green tone that you have going on. Repeat the same thing. Because I'm going to take like a dark brown tone and line the bottom lashes. Just like this. And then we're going to blend that in a little bit. I feel like the eyeshadow looks good. So I'm just going to take a pencil. And I'm going to take Sex Kitten by Tarte and do a little wing. I decided to just do like a tiny wing like this. I'm going to clean up that edge there like this. And then we're going to use these new lashes. These are the Ardell Remy lashes, which I have not used before, in the number 781. And they just look like this. Look really beautiful. A little intense, but I'm just going to trim the very front a little bit because I know that every single time I do my lashes, they are too long. And then we're just going to put a little glue and let that get tacky for 30 seconds maybe. I actually just realized I forgot to put my mascara to blend my lashes in. So we're just gonna put a little bit on this eye. That looks good. Okay. I would have wanted to trim that a little more. It's still a little bit longer. Wow, that looks bomb. And then what I'll do is I have my Buxom White Russian lip cream. As you guys can probably see, there's a lot of what appears to be excess on the lash line, but really that's just the glue. If you wanted to avoid having this happen, what you would just do is go back over your lash line with the same liquid liner you used to begin, and that'll just kind of cover it and even everything out. So this is the finished look. I love the green with my eyes. I feel like it makes it pop more. You know, just something if you didn't want to do the traditional brown and gold and champagne tones and you want to try something a little bit more risque. A great option. Oh, my bottom mascara. That's why it doesn't look complete. I actually really like it. If I was able to go out, I would wear this out, but I can't. So this is the completed look. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just leave me a comment down below, like, subscribe, you know the deal, and I will catch you in my next video.